What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk to you about credit cards right now. And recently I've been getting comments saying that credit cards are evil and that we shouldn't be talking about credit cards right now. But right now is the best time to apply for credit cards. If you are a fan of credit cards or you feel like you gain a lot out of credit cards, right now is the best time. And I'll tell you why. Now, before I start, make sure you hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. And don't forget to check out my store if you want to purchase something, maybe a wallet, maybe a book. You can go ahead and check all that stuff out. I have a lot of recommended things that are down there in that store. But I wanted to talk about credit cards for a little bit. Some people say that credit cards are evil, that people that get credit cards are just kind of suckers because they're paying all this interest. Well, first, you shouldn't be paying any interest. If you pay your balance off in full, you pay no interest at all. So you're just gaining rewards for not paying interest. So the credit card companies are not gaining anything from you. So technically they're gaining something, but it's not anything that you're losing per se. When people say that credit cards are evil, I just laugh a little bit because they're not. Now, the reason is because credit cards are a benefit to so many people's lives. Just simple math tells you if you take your credit card and you put $2,000, or let's just go with $1,000. You put $1,000 on that card that are bills that you were going to pay with a debit card, you're going to gain 2% over here, or you're going to gain nothing over here. So basically, it's like you're saving a little bit of money on the bills that you're paying. Very simple. But right now, the reason why you want to apply for credit cards is because the bonuses are insane right now. Every credit card company for different credit cards are starting to offer insane bonuses. Like you look at the Business Inc. Cash cards, $750 worth of value that you can get there. The Amex Gold card, 60,000 points, which is one of their highest offers they've had. The Platinum card is not so much. It's a travel-based card. You probably don't want to go for that anyways, but you do have a lot of benefits out here, a lot of bonuses that are ridiculously high right now, which could be $750 worth of value, $600, $1,000 worth of value. It is literally the time to apply for credit cards. I can go through an article right now that talks about $750 worth of a bonus for the Chase business cards. Now, these are business cards, and if you own a business or you have something that's related to any type of revenue that's coming in the door or income that's coming in the door, you can apply for these cards and you can get the $750 worth of value as long as you're spending $7,000. Now, $7,000 is kind of steep, but that's in 3 months. If you're looking at the green card, you have 6 months to spend $2,000 and then you get 45,000 points, which could be valued to $450 or upwards of basically $900. That's crazy to say that you can gain that much after spending so little in such a long period of time here. So usually they give you 3 months and then you have to get to that spend, which a lot of people that want to reach that spend, they start reaching to get to that spend, which means that they're spending outside of their normal spending categories. But right now is definitely the time to apply for credit cards because there are so many bonuses out there. And I'm not selling any credit cards on you. I do have some referral links down below if you wanted to check some of them out. But if you don't feel like credit cards are great, then don't go for it. Continue with how you're living your life. You're going a long way without using credit cards. So I applaud you in that area. But I am just saying that this is free money that you're missing out on as long as you can spend money the right way, as long as you put money on bills and not on anything else. You're basically getting a free $450 up to $900. So that's my opinion. That's why I say that credit cards are definitely a go right now. If you have any credit cards in the past and you feel like you need to apply for a credit card, make sure you check out what their bonus actually is. If the card doesn't offer a bonus, don't apply for the credit card. Now, if it is giving you a category that you don't have and you feel like you're going to gain a ton of value out of it, then go for it. But the bonuses on a lot of these other cards are ridiculous. So yeah, that's my video. It's just more of an FYI type of thing. It's not anything where I'm informing you of something brand new unless you didn't know about these bonuses. They're literally everywhere. I got them plastered all over any website that I go on. There's always a 45,000 point bonus, $300 statement credit, 400. They're just giving me so many different bonus opportunities here. I'm just like, wow, this is overwhelming at times. But yeah, that's my video, guys. Let me know what you think about credit card bonuses right now. I always like to know if people are for or not for credit cards. I really like to know. So make sure you reach out to me in the comment section below and let me know what you think about credit cards, about the offers that are happening right now. Go and check out some and see if the offer appeals to you. And if it's an annual fee card, you don't want to pay an annual fee, don't pay an annual fee. But, just go ahead and check out some different credit card offers. Maybe one that you really wanted in the past might have an extreme offer right now. So that's it, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. That's free money as well. Also, if you want to, check out my store and any of the credit card links down below. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love. Also, go check out my new TikTok. I created a TikTok based on finance if you wanted to check that out. I think that would be interesting. I'm starting to get some love and some action, some movement there. So definitely go ahead and check that out. But that's my video, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.